Here you can see 4 electronic infoBoard planning boards, a project planning board and 3 resource planning boards. This is the planning board for the section of mechanical construction. The next resource planning board is for the section of electrical engineering. And the last resource planning board, for the section of software development. The project manager is planning a sample order for the project A, which contains the tasks for the employees of the mentioned sections. Each planning board receives the corresponding objects on the recipient line. Each department manager is planning the objects. Each of them has to consider all free capacities in their departments. If the period of the individual object is changed in the resource planning board, the project schedule synchronizes automatically. After the synchronization of the resources, the objects of the first section change similarly. The department manager obtains the correlated information and has to find a free resource for this change. The project was synchronized under consideration of the resource planning board. The project manager can see the possible schedule of the project. In case he wants to change the project, all he needs to do is to move the object. Delete another object. And change the red object. We could see that all changes were automatically synchronized on the correlated resource planning board. The information about the scheduled projects can be displayed on the corresponding web application. Here we can see the objects from the project planning board. A bar on the chart shows the total duration of the resource activity and the production status. One of the 2 blue objects was ticked as a completed task. On the chart we can see that the blue bar has been calculated with 50%. The spreadsheet shows the precise information about start and end time, furthermore the duration of the resource employment. This was an example of synchronized project planning regarding to the resource planning with the electronic planning board from infoBoard. Further information on our website www.infoboard.biz. Thanks for your attention.